Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to add camera watermark in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera in your phone and take a picture. Here, I am going to take this picture. And open the picture that you took and see in the picture in the bottom left side or bottom right side or in the top of the photo there is no watermark as of now. If you would like to print watermark for future photos, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the camera and then go to camera settings. Go to camera settings here and here select watermark, and as of now it is set to no watermark. Click on text so that you can add watermark. Okay, so here click on this Vivo watermark, Vivo name, and here just you can change name. Okay, in model name date and time are available. Just click on customize and add content. Click on add content and type your own watermark. You can include your name or your friend name or your business name or whatever you want. Here I would like to type my own website called facultyon.com. facultyon.com. So this will be the watermark. See here, this is the watermark as of now. Okay, now go to the home screen and open camera and take a picture. Hereafter watermark will be printed along with your photo. I take this photo and see the photo that you took. See in the bottom left side there is watermark printed. Okay, so what I included, www.facultyon.com I have included, so that is printed along with date and time. So in this way you can easily add camera watermark in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.